Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Bobo 2.0 token. Now the Bobo 2.0 token got listed maybe about 2 days ago or so on CoinMarketCap. It's in the recently added section. I was looking at it, it wasn't doing very well. It was down like 70% or something like that. And yeah, so I thought, this token is just slowly dying or nobody's interested. But all of a sudden, right now, I looked at it, it was up 90%, then it was up 100%. Now it's up 167.38%. It's just going up and up right now. So we're going to go over the information on the Bobo 2.0 token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, like I said, just got listed a couple days ago on CoinMarketCap. There is a big warning at the top of the page. Before we get into this info, you should be aware of this warning here. So it says, according to Gopless Labs, the smart contract of the following asset can be modified by the contract creator. For example, disable selling, change fees, mint new tokens, transfer tokens, etc. Please exercise caution before taking any action and always do your own research. So, when there's warnings like that, it doesn't mean 100% this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract like that. So you don't want to get rugged, you don't want to be involved in a honeypot, get blacklisted, any of these things. So thoroughly do your own research before getting this token. Now, if you were to get this token, this is an Ethereum token. You can check out their Etherscan on CoinMarketCap. So basically, all you'd have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and then trade your Ethereum for the Bobo 2.0 token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap or their Etherscan or their official webpage, Bobo2.xyz. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. So it says Bobo 2.0, the ultimate meme coin revolution. Are you tired of missing out on the next big thing in the crypto world? Well, fear no more, because Bobo 2.0 is here to take you to the moon. Brace yourself for a wild ride filled with laughter, memes, and incredible opportunities. Bobo 2.0 is not just another meme coin. It's a cultural phenomenon, a symbol of rebellion against the mundane. We've harnessed the power of memes to create a digital currency that defies expectations and breaks through barriers. Get ready for a coin that will make you smile and, more importantly, bring you unimaginable gains. With our catchy slogan, Mr. Bobo, Bobo 2.0 is here to go to the moon, we are setting the stage for an epic journey. We believe the transformative power of community, and together we will rise to new heights. Our dedicated team of meme enthusiasts, led by a visionary project manager, is committed to ensuring the success of Bobo 2.0. We've meticulously crafted a robust ecosystem that combines cutting-edge technology with the joyous spirit of memes. Prepare to witness groundbreaking features, seamless transactions, and a community-driven experience like no other. Join us on this thrilling adventure as we redefine what it means to be a meme coin. Embrace the chaos, embrace the humor, embrace the limitless potential of Bobo 2.0. Together we will conquer the meme universe and reach the stars. So what are you waiting for? Strap in, grab your favorite meme, and let's embark on this journey of a lifetime with Bobo 2.0. The moon awaits and the memes are calling. So if you go to their webpage, there is their Etherscan, a buy now button that'll take you to Uniswap. So far they have 771 holders, 1,415 transfers, 9 decimal places, and a max total supply of 420,690,000,000,000 tokens. Now they do have a Telegram at BOBO2.0 Moon, and that Telegram is doing extremely well. 19,058 members, 1,262 of them are online. They do have a Medium. They have Medium articles. They have one article up so far. You could check that out. The Medium articles are linked on CoinMarketCap. So it kind of just goes over the same stuff I just read, but they most likely will have more Medium articles posted on there in the future. So on their webpage, they do have a, looks like 4-phase roadmap, starting with phase 1, smart contract creation, then website creation, community building, 500 Telegram members. Obviously, they are way past 500 now. Phase 2, CoinGecko CoinMarketCap listing, Etherscan logo, and info update, 1,000 holders, 1,000 Telegram members. Phase 3, Trust Wallet listing, Central Exchange listing, huge community events, 5,000 holders, 5,000 Telegram members. And so they're almost at 20,000 Telegram members, which is in their final phase, phase 4 of their roadmap, which is funny because they haven't even reached 1,000 holders yet, and that is phase 2, but they're almost at phase 4 for Telegram members. So phase 4 is going to be 20,000 Telegram members, 20,000 holders. They're going to have Bobo 2.0 NFTs come out, and then most likely you'll be able to use those NFTs in the game. It says Bobo 2.0 Play to Earn game will come out. They're going to have Bobo 2.0 merch in the merch shop. Huge partnerships, and it says more to come to be continued. Now, it doesn't say anything about taxes on their webpage. At the very bottom of their webpage, bobo-2.xyz, you can find a link to their Medium articles, a YouTube channel, Reddit, GitHub, Telegram, Twitter, and a contact email. Their Twitter, if you want to follow it, is at Bobo2Moon. And you can send him an email if you want at Bobo2.0 to the moon at gmail.com. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.